Good morning, Friday morning, day after cleaning the pit, which video we just posted here last week. So yeah, just want to show you the aftermath and something else that's going on. Like, kind of looks like a rainbow in the sky over here and a little bit over there too, but it hasn't rained in days, so it's probably just the sun and, well, I don't know what it's doing, but sun is just coming up, so it's probably just, I don't know, reflection on the clouds or whatever it is. But hasn't rained here well, in the last days, so that can't be it, but kind of looks nice, so thought, well, might as well show you that too. Other than that, got a big shit show still here. And of course the first manure pumped into the pit there last night. So yeah, a little chunk left there, which we usually leave because you can't get that all out anyway. So, but yeah, that's where the pipe comes from the pump. And yeah, we'll start filling her back up again. And yeah. Kind of a slow week, but also an exciting week, especially at the start here. We broke to our 1,000 subscriber mark, so everybody that did already, a big thank you for that. So what brought me to it, to get into the YouTubing stuff? Well, of course, like everybody else, you just watching some videos here and there and left, right, and center and on and on. And well, the one Sunday saw a live stream from a couple Dutch guys, and well, they pretty much I pretty much decided from it, say, hey, maybe that's something for me to do, because I've been doing the Facebook thing for the farm page for probably 5-6 years, something like that. Then over, what was it? The last year and a half before that, prior to the YouTube stuff, I did a video or a post every day on the Instagram and then on the Facebook page. So I figured, well, if I can collect that much stuff, then should be able to make a video once a week. So almost, this is video number, 41? So 41 weeks later, still managing to get a video out every week. This week is kind of, scrambling to get the stuff, but it's been a slow week. Or at least there's always something to do, but just bits and pieces here, as we had like a rainy week. So yeah, what do y'all all gotta do? Did some sand, put that in the stalls, but you've seen that already happening more than once, I guess. So, and other than that, just some touch-up stuff here and there. But little thing that's in the video here is that busted up rim from the tractor. That happened there last week during cleaning out the pit. And yeah, what else? Oh, just some disc ripping. The wheat finally came up after all the rain we had. It was just laying there in the dust, so I don't know how the sound is from it, but you'll just have to find that out, I guess. So, and yeah, well, at least a big shout out to those two guys in Holland that convinced me, or at least didn't convince me, but at least, just from their videos, I thought, well, I can start. So, big shout out to Hove Holstraten and Around Arno. Those were the two guys that did their live stream, and well, from that I started. So yeah. Around Arno, he's over a little over 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, if you want to see him, then please do so. and Hoeve Hoofstraten. They're getting close to the 5,000, so if you can help them out, would be great. I'll see if I can stick some in this video, see how that works, because hey, close to the 50, so technology is not my greatest thing, but anyway, we'll see how we can work that out. So anyway, enjoyed a little bit of pieces of this video, and hopefully we got some more going on next week. Well, here's the victim from last week, from that all the collision they had on the road. You can see the rim is pretty bent up. So what we did now is like we hooked the tank back up, and from our other tractor, the 7820, got the exact same size tires on there, so put a dual from that on there. So as you can see, got it back on the manure tank, so should be able to do it with this one. And after we finished everything up, we'll see what we do with that rim. Get it fixed up in the meantime, or whatever will happen. So, well, on to the next job. There, hopefully you're able to see that. Just using the hose and probably need to cut a little bit of footage out, this little part of the video, but you'll get the idea. And any sand that'll flow out this bucket will end up here on the floor anyway. There. That's well, that's all the sand that came out of it. So it's not too much. It's not like we got like most of it was sand. The darker stuff, of course, is the sand. And even if we go down the slope here, anyway, it's not like there's a whack load of sand there. It's just a wee little bit up top here. So yeah, hopefully that well, that'll answer your question. Well, it took a while, but first wheat is finally coming through. It I guess it really needed the rain because it was just laying in dust. So yeah, they're starting to come. Just gotta wait for a couple more warmer days, and then everything should be up. And as you can see, did some fall work here, some disc ripping, but it's pretty dry. So we got ourselves some pretty big lumps, almost like cement. But they should break up pretty easy once they get some more rain and some frost. As you can see here, it's still dry underneath it. This takes time. It's probably too windy to hear it, but it is what it is. As you can see, got the fence back up, got the pump out, and it moved to the other side. Moved here to the other pit. As you can hear, it's windy. It's been a rainy week. showers on and off, or rain on and off. So yeah, it's just waiting for some drier weather now to get this bit empty, and then yeah, we should be all set for pretty much winter. Temperature really dropped over the last couple of days too. As you can see here, got a body warmer on, and most of well, all the curtains that are manual are closed. Front one on the barn there is even closed. It's on a thermostat, and the like all the other ones that are still down, they're all automatic. It just well, that time of year, all the other curtains are closed on the breezeways, and pretty much everything on the parlor is already closed, or at least most of it. Still got a little bit open, so might as well head into the barn and talk a little more there. Hey. Well, as you can see, started helping here 4 o'clock Thursday afternoon. So just a little bit of this, and so that's going to do it for this video. Not a whole lot of excitement this week, but well, can always be a big party. Clean 5, drop them, and that, and start the next 5, and the next 5, on and on. Well, that should do it, folks. Have yourself a great week, and we'll see you next week. Bye.